The pick-pack verification functionality in Chaos Control Cloud allows the use of a barcode scanner to verify that the correct items have been picked for an order. To demonstrate this, we'll go to the picking stage in Sales Invoice Manager. The functionality can be used for batch picking orders, but for this demonstration we'll pick a single order. We'll select the order that we want to pick, and then we'll use the Actions button to select Pick Pack Verification. We can see the items that require picking in the lower half of the dialog. In our case, they're all from the same order, but they could easily be from a batch of orders. Using the Scan Code field in the upper half of the dialog, we'll use our barcode scanner to scan the first item to be picked. You'll see that the item is now marked as picked in green, and the percentage complete field is starting to populate. We'll now continue scanning the rest of the items on the order. The following item is a pack header. We could scan this and it would mark the two components as being picked, but we're going to pick the individual components. You'll notice that once the second component is picked, the whole pack is marked as being picked. We will now close the dialog, and the order that we've just picked is highlighted in green, which means picking has been verified. Thank you for watching.